For the investment mastery course, you not only get amazing software which gives out real-time trading signals, but we also walk the talk and guide you under the live market conditions. Of course, the software is so powerful that for an experienced trader, you are able to take on those trade setups. For newbie traders, we try and hold your hand. We guide you, where I am basically sharing my watch list live, a broadcast sent to all my members, and I'm actually showing you what trades I am taking. So this is just a brief example of a broadcast which was sent on Friday, 26th of August 2016. For example, initially here I'm looking for longs on German DAX. The Bindal Momentum Indicator here, the B1 and B2 has just turned bullish, but B3 and B4 are bearish. B3 and B4 are long-term signals. B1 and B2 are short-term intraday. Equally, as you can see here, I've got unique Bindal pivot points. One of the most important pivot points is the green pivot, and as well as the yellow. At the same time, I've got magenta pivot here, which is quite important. These pivot points are dynamic, and it does change with the price action. So right now here I'm looking for a potential long, and I need a momentum above these 3 pivot points, and then once the green breaks, then I would expect the prices to rocket. Obviously, I try to guide all my traders step by step to ensure that they are following the system. The system is easy, but you need that discipline. You need somebody to hold your hand. You need somebody to guide you. You need somebody to help you with the mental fitness. Often people say you got to be at the right place at the right time, but of course you as a trader has to be the right person with the right discipline, with the right mental fitness. And this is what we at Bindal FX try to help you with. So here, after putting on a watch list for longs, I'm actually reassuring the traders, remember, no 1, 2, 3, no trade. Don't try and outsmart the market. Now, whenever a setup is there, a watch list is there, I do not get married to that setup. Okay? I am always looking to trade the price action. Well, subsequently what happened is the signal turns red, i.e. sell, a support's broken, and as you can see here, the yellow pivot and the magenta pivot acting as a resistance. So after 10 minutes, instead of a long, I took on a short trade. Okay, and again here, give out my reasons, what to do, when to do, how to do. I break my positions into 2 lots, take profit 1 and take profit 2. What I'm always looking for is for my TP1, I'm aiming to get 15 to 25 pips. For my TP2, I'm aiming to get the maximum with the trailing stops. Also throughout the session, I would upload videos and try and guide traders. Also, as and when there are some tips, I would try and guide the traders. For example, on the Bindal Momentum Indicator, one of the tips here is that as soon as B3 changes color from red to green, what you're looking to do is to take on that trade. Now, this is a 1 minute chart. The thick line here you can see there is the Bindal trigger point. That is a unique math calculation which goes into this system. So as soon as the trigger changes color and prices are above the Bindal ribbon, you have a 1, 2, 3 set up, we take on a long trade. Here again another example of a trade on Wall Street. Easy 50 pip movement. As you can see here, B1 and B2 are red. The trigger here changing from green to red. The ribbon, all the colors are red. So when you actually have these confluences of indicators, all you are looking to do is to sell, sell, sell. Okay? It is as easy as that, and then following on subsequently, you can see that the prices have literally collapsed. At that stage was more than 100 pip move. Now, yesterday was Friday. Normally Friday nights I don't tend to trade, but yesterday I didn't go out. So I thought, well, why don't I trade the markets? So here again, I'm actually trying to guide my members, whoever are in the room, so that I can tell them what to do, when to do. Okay? So after a big move on the Dow, I'm looking for a bounce, I'm looking for a pullback, but obviously here I would have to follow certain rules. In this case, it was an aggressive trade following a 1, 2, 3 pattern, following the Bindal ribbon. Okay, so here again I sort of clearly tell my members is that this is an aggressive trade and you should only be trading if you've got a big profit buffer. Stops has to be tight, and then step by step I'm guiding traders, and obviously being scalping, I'm often breaking my positions into 3 lots or 4 lots and then taking profits as I go along. But then subsequently for the final one, I really am looking for a big push there. So as you can see, my final broadcast here went out at 2015, and at that stage we were waiting for the magenta pivot there to break, which subsequently it broke, and at that stage we had a profit of 30 pips on the final position there. And once it broke, the prices rocketed up and went up as high as 60 pips. So guys, so this is what we do at Bindal FX, is we provide you with best trading signal indicators. In addition to that, we hold your hand, we guide you with live trading signals. We guide you with your mental fitness. We guide you how you can manage your emotions. So that is how we trade and guide our members at Bindal FX. Any questions, queries, feel free to email me. God bless and happy trading. Goodbye.